Logarithmic function is the function in the form of f of x equals log x to the base of b. Okay? Then, itong f of x pwede natin na-express as y. Okay? So, that is y equals log x to the base of b. Okay? So, yan po ang iyong tatandaan sa form na ito ng logarithmic function or equation. Now, ang restriction dito, yung ating base, itong b, greater than 0 and b are not equal to 1. Okay? Yan po ang kanyang restriction. Now, itong logarithmic function is the inverse of an exponential form. Kumbaga ito ay kabaliktaran pagdating dito sa exponential function or equation. Ang exponential form ay x equals b raised to y. Kumbaga yung base, disim pa rin dito sa logarithmic. Dahil ito yung base sa logarithmic, ang exponential form, di pa rin nababago, yun pa rin ang kanyang base. Okay? So ito, dalawa na ito ay pwedeng vice versa. Logarithmic form or equation, then kabaliktaran dito sa exponential form or equation. Okay? So for example, write natin logarithmic form or equation to exponential form. Log 36 with the base of 6 equals 2. Write natin sa exponential form. So that is 6 raised to 6 to the power of 2 or 6 squared equals 36. Another example, let us say exponential naman to logarithmic form. Okay. For example, ang given natin ay 8 to the power of 2 or 8 squared equals 64. 8 times 8 that is 64. Okay. Now, sa logarithmic form, ganito naman po. So, lagay tayo ng log. Yung 8 natin, ito pa rin ang ating base. Yung ating argument dito ay yung 64. Okay? Then equals, ito yung ating 2 na dito ay exponent sa exponential form. Or 2 equals log 64 to the base of 8. Okay? Yan po kamatlik TV. So, the same lang naman po itong dalawa. Okay? So, yan po ang pag-express or pag-write ng from exponential to logarithmic form or logarithmic form to exponential form.